Welcome. In the next few minutes, we're going to find a little peace. It's amazing what just 5 minutes of quiet can do. Stress melts away, your mind clears, and you're ready to face whatever comes next. No matter how busy your day is, you deserve this moment. Meditation is a gift you give yourself, and it doesn't require anything except your willingness to be present. Find a comfortable position. This is your time to unwind and let go of the day's stresses. Sit with your feet flat on the floor, feeling the ground beneath you. Notice how your body feels and make any adjustments to ensure comfort. Or lie down if that feels better. Let the surface beneath you support your weight completely. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. This can help you to focus inward and block out distractions. Turn your attention inward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any lingering thoughts. Imagine a place that brings you peace. Maybe it's a beach, a forest, or a sunny meadow. Let this be your sanctuary, a place to retreat whenever you need peace and calm. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to change it, just observe. Now, gently deepen your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your stomach rise. Hold the breath for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your stomach fall. Continue breathing deeply and evenly. With each breath, feel tension leaving your body. Section 4. Releasing tension. As you breathe, bring your attention to your body. Start with your toes. Notice any tension and gently encourage it to release. Move up through your feet, ankles, and calves. Visualize each muscle relaxing. Continue this process, moving up through your legs, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, and hands. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck and face. Release any tension you're holding there. Affirmations and gratitude. Explore the power of positive affirmations and the impact of gratitude on our well-being. Think of something you're grateful for. It could be a person, place, or moment that brought you joy today. Feel the gratitude in your heart, spreading warmth and light throughout your being. Repeat, I am calm. I am peaceful. I am present. These are powerful declarations of your inner truth. Continue breathing deeply, feeling more centered, grounded, and at peace. Allow worries to drift away. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough. Section 6. Conclusion. In just a few minutes, you've given yourself the gift of peace. This moment of tranquility is a powerful tool. As you slowly open your eyes, carry this sense of calm with you. Peace is always within reach. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state anytime. This calm is always available to you. Regular meditation can reduce stress and improve focus. Make it a part of your daily routine. Make time for yourself each day. Prioritizing your well-being is a necessity. Embrace these moments of peace.